Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Phương.
Phương, how are you?
I'm happy.
Okay, you're happy. So Phương, today we have speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's begin, Phương. So at first we have vocabulary of school things. So Phương, see we have so many school things. Can you tell me, Phương, what have you got? I have got. What have you got? Here, what is it? What have you got?
Book.
I have got a book.
I have a book.
Yeah, very good. I have got a book. What have you
I
got?
have a pencil case.
Very good. What have you got?
I have a ruler.
I have got a...
Ruler.
No, oh, it's not ruler. Rubber.
Rubber.
I have got a rubber. What have you got?
I got a pen.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, pencil. Can you tell me, Phương, what color is the book? What color is it? Is it green, yellow, or red?
Green.
Very good. You say it's green.
Green.
And what color is the crayon?
It's book. It's blue.
Good, it's blue. What color is the pen?
It's purple.
Well done. And what color is the notebook?
It's pink.
Good. Okay, and Phương, what's your favorite color? What color you like? Do you like red, orange, green? What color do you like?
Pink.
Oh, you like pink.
Yeah.
Oh, so you can say I like pink, okay? And I love red. All right. Okay, so let's move to the next one, Phương. We have phonics part. Now you have to tell me the letter and how does the letter sound and the words, okay? All right. Can you tell me what letter is it? Letter G. G sounds? Very good. G sounds
Goat.
Goat.
Green.
Good. Letter? No, what letter is it?
Letter
G, H. Letter H. And how does letter H sound? Good. And H for, what is it?
hat. House.
Good. House. Letter?
G.
No. G, H, and I.
I.
I sounds?
E.
Very good. I sounds E. This one here, what is it? Igloo.
Igloo.
Igloo. Good. And this one? Insect. Okay. This one here, igloo, and this one, insect. Okay. All right. And sorry. And this one, what letter is it, Phương?
Letter J.
Good. How does letter J sound?
J.
J. And J for?
J.
What is it? Jug.
Yeah.
And this one here
Letter
is what is it? What is it? Jump.
drum.
And letter?
Letter K.
Good. K sound? Good.
Kick. King.
Good. Kick and
King.
king. Good job. Letter?
L.
Letter L. L sounds?
L.
What is it? Leg.
Leg.
And this one?
Lamb.
Lion.
Lion.
All right, lion. All right, Phương, well done. Okay, good job.